What are we trying to
Pie
visualize?
chart.
Let's understand that first. So right here, we are trying to understand how much quantity of product we have sold in different regions. We have south, north, and central, three regions, correct? In every region, all my products combined together, how much quantity have I sold? That is what I want to understand. For that, first step, as always, insert our pie chart tile, correct? So how do I insert my pie chart tile? Go to my visual pane, third row, 1, 2, 3, third row, and fourth icon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth icon is called a pie chart. Click on it and insert a pie chart just like this. By the way, guys, you have also one more thing called as a donut chart, which is nothing but a pie chart with a hole in the middle. It looks like a donut. That is why it is called a donut chart. The process to create the donut chart and the pie chart is the same. So if you want to insert a donut chart, you can do that also. If you want to insert a pie chart, you can do that also. Up to you. Okay. So I'll go here, make it a little bit smaller, and now again it is time to understand what to put, where to put, right? So we have quantity sold, and that too for every region. Now, so far we have understood we have to start off with our y-axis and our x-axis. But in a pie chart, is there a y-axis? Is there any kind of x-axis? No, right? There is no axis here. It's a circle. There is no axis for a circle, right? So how do I start off? Well, we have multiple inputs we can add. Legend, values, details, tooltips. Let's understand how to start off. So in a pie chart or even a donut chart, the very first thing that you start off with is value. Okay? So whatever value, whatever numerical item you want to visualize in your pie chart, you will add it into value. Hence the name value. Value means a number, correct? So if I want to see the total quantity, I will go and add quantity into my values. The moment I do that, as you can see, I have this one big circle, one big pie, which shows us the total quantity of my entire company. So all the products combined together, how much quantity have I sold, which is 15,420, right? Now, I want to break this entire value of quantity according to region. But earlier we have learned to do that for the first time. We require x-axis. There is no x-axis here, right? So what do? We directly start with the second level of breakdown. We don't have first level. What is first level? Let me write it down. Have a look at this. Guys, first level is our x-axis. Second level, all right, is our legend. If I don't have my x-axis, I will directly start with legend, right? So I do have my legend. As you can see, I do have legend here. So all I have to do is drag and drop my region into legend. The moment I do that, see this, if I go to region and drag it to legend, there you go. Now I have central, north and south, three different regions for my entire circle. This is how you can create your pie chart. So again, if you don't have x-axis, no problem, start directly with legend and you are done. After that, you have two more things. Tooltips, which is what we have already looked at earlier. But there is something that is new for us. It is called details, right? Which is something that we haven't looked at all so far. So what exactly is details? Well, details is, wait for it, third level of breakdown. Yes, you heard that right. Details is a third level of breakdown. So this is how it works. Power BI has three levels. You already know about two. Here comes the third one. First level, x-axis. Second level, legend. Third level, my friend, is
Tooltips.
going to be details. So if you want to break down your data more further one more time, you have something called as details. For example, in our pie chart, we have used legend to break our data according to different regions. Now, what if within these regions, I want to understand which customer segment has contributed to the most quantity sold? Is it corporate order or consumer order or home office orders that has contributed to most of the quantity sold for every region? So that if I understand it, I make my entire sales and marketing focused on that. For example, in the central region, if I understand that most of my orders are corporate orders, I will focus more on improving my B2B sales team as compared to spending money on a B2C marketing. Does that make sense to everyone, guys? Why this is so important from a management perspective, from a decision making perspective? Yes? Make sense? Chalo, perfect. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and see how we can do that. Guys, so far we have used legend second level. Now comes third level. All I have to do is get my segment into details. And the moment I do that, do you see this? My data is now further divided. In central, I can see most of my order coming from consumer. So central consumer 4,451. Central corporate, central home office. Same way, north consumer, north corporate, and north home office as well. So this is how you can further break down your data if you want to. However, again, I don't want to do it right now. I will keep things simple. I will remove details. But now you know what it is used for. So first level x-axis, second level legend, third level is going to be details now. And tooltips you already know. So please go ahead, complete this entire pie chart. It's a very simple chart. Do it in